The humidity levels look stable at 14%.
Good, let's maintain the current flow rate.
The coverage looks perfect on the lower tumbler. Agreed, the color consistency is exactly where it needs to be.
The flavored popcorn travels through a cooling tunnel where filtered cool air sets the coatings. Workers inspect the popcorn.
That last puff of air successfully removed the clump.
Yes, the calibration is accurate. The texture consistency is paramount for this batch.
Are the straps secured on the second pallet? Yes, completely secure. The pattern is correct.
In 5 miles, take the exit toward the city center. Keep right.
Watch the pallet, coming through.
Okay, I've got the cart ready. Where does the movie theater butter flavor go? Wow, look at all these flavors. They finally have the white cheddar. And the caramel looks amazing. Let's get a few bags.
This caramel one looks delicious.
But the cheesy flavor is on sale. Which one do you want more?
The caramel one, please.
Get ready for the biggest snack event of the year. Our massive popcorn tower is stacked high with flavor and incredible deals.
20 cases of the variety pack.
Looks good. Let me grab the scanner.
Let's try the movie theater butter flavor this time.
Okay, but don't forget the white cheddar. It's my favorite.
Let's try the movie theater butter flavor this time.
Okay, but don't forget the white cheddar. It's my favorite.
Let's try the movie theater butter flavor this time.
Okay, but don't forget the white cheddar. It's my favorite.
Do you want some, Mommy?
Yes, please, darling. It looks wonderful.
Here you go, get some of this.
Oh, wow. That smells amazing. It tastes even better.